Product type. Outdoor_recreation_product. Adapter for mounting the Topeak MTX rear basket to any MTX QuickTrack compatible rack. Top reviews from the United States. A replacement part so you don't have to replace the whole thing. I am glad that Topeak has this thing available. This is where they are making money, at least off of me. I wish they had economy packs. The basket costs $50 to $60 and this thing is about $15 and is easier to ship. I have minor accidents, the basket gets bumped, and so forth. It could be more durable, but anything else might get a whole lot worse. I suppose this bracket yields by breaking before something else gets damaged, and that might be a positive. In winter, it does get brittle. I do like to be able to move my basket from bike to bike or not have the basket on at all, so I put up with this arrangement system. I keep a spare for replacement which occurs unplanned every several months. If they stop making this, I will just go to a milk crate like everyone else.